So shall we start with a body scan?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So our first activity, we'll do just a body scan. You can do it however you are. If you want to stay seated, that's fine. We'll just kind of get balanced first. Feel your head reaching tall out of the crown of your head. It's not out of your chin at all. It's out of the very top is where that energy comes out like a fountain. As you move down, you might feel the clouds of your brain, the lightning, the electricity, the activity that goes on there that's contained and buffered by our heads. Let your face just be empty clay, ready to be molded. Let go of those thoughts or feelings that might be locked up in your tissues, that might be being expressed in your muscles. Let your jaw go slack and your tongue heavy, as if there's more room in your jaw for your tongue. Feel your neck through the back of your head, reaching tall. That should also help let your jaw go more slack. Your spine is tall up the middle, might reach all the way down from the bottom of your low back and follow your spine right narrowly up the middle, like a fountain, up and out the top of your head. Meanwhile, your shoulders, left and right, get heavier and can sink down in opposition to that tall strength rising up the center. Let that energy of your relaxed shoulders pour down and out your upper arms, your elbows, your soft wrists, your soft hands, the palms of your hands, releasing any tension that's in them, becoming more receivers, feeling what they're resting on. Let that energy come right out of your fingertips. This tall fountain of a spine rising up, this return energy down your shoulders and out your fingertips. Returning back to your low back. Feel how your spine is centered between your hips. I find myself wiggling a lot just to sense where that snake of a spine, narrowly supporting everything that helps me rise tall, is being held together by the strength of my legs. That feeling of a center line relaxing down or the feeling of a center line coming up the inside of my legs in particular. That's that tall strength inside of my legs and up my spine and out the head. While that return energy that was pouring down my shoulders is also pouring down the outside of my body, the outside of my legs, and down to my pinky toe. That's the opposition that we stand on. The rising up the middle, the pouring down the outside. As that energy pours down through your legs, your knees getting relaxed, your ankles feeling longer and separated, not so stood on. You can move them around if you have to. Feel the space between the bones. This is the time to invite that cushiness between our bones, the space. And then the grounding of your feet, whether they're touching anything or not, that energy pouring right out the center of our arches. So the physical energy stands on our heels and the balls of our toes, but the energetic energy of our standing, of our sense of gravity and centering, pours right through the center of our arches. One more time with that feeling of energy now from the center of your arches, up the inside of your legs, the inside of your knees, right up narrowly along your belly button, through the center of your spine, and out the top of your head. Take a breath. And exhale that energy back down the outside of your body, past your ears, past your arms, arms out the pinky fingers, the sides of your body, your ribs relaxing down, the sides of your hips, the outside of your knees. And that energy pouring out your toes, especially the pinky toe. And when you're ready, you can blink your eyes open, feel your sense of coming back into the room.